Hello children, we are back on exercise 8.3 class 8 compound interest. Before starting this, I suggest you to see the previous videos. I have prepared previous 8 videos, so this concept will be grasped easily children. Okay, so question is find the amount and compound interest. So amount we can get by the formula of A equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power n. And CI we can calculate amount minus principal on rupees 10,000 for 1.5 year at 10% annum, compounded half yearly. Interest is 10, half yearly it is compounded, so we'll do it 5, and time period is 1.5 year, so this will be double, that means 3, because compounded half yearly. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? पहले तो आपको हाफ ईयरली का निकालना है एंड फिर आपको एनुअली भी चेक करना है कि हाफ ईयरली करने से इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा होता है कि फिर एनुअली करने से ज़्यादा होता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ सो प्रिंसिपल इज 10,000 and time period given is 10%, but for half yearly it will be 5%. n equal to 1.5, तो 1.5 years में कितने हाफ ईयर्स होते हैं? 3 हाफ ईयर्स होते हैं. With the we'll put these values in the formula. Okay children, now 10,000 P, this is R, and power 3 years here. Okay, so 1 upon 100 is cut, so we get here 1 by 20, and if we take LCM with 1, so it will be 20, n plus 1 21 by 20, and power is 3, so 21 by 20 is repeated 3 times. See children, you can cut these 3 zeros, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. What remains as a denominator is below 8. So do the multiplication of 10, 21, 21, 21 and divide by 8. This will give definitely the answer, amount 11576.25 on rupees 10,000, principal rupees 10,000. It is including interest. Okay children, so now CI will calculate here, compound interest. CI calculate whatever the amount minus principal equal to CI. Compound interest we got is 157625 when compounded half yearly. Now we are comparing this with if the compounded annually, then how much interest would be there, and then also we have to check कि हाफ ईयरली में इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा मिला था कि एनुअली में आपको कंपाउंड करेंगे तभी इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा मिलेगा. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो अभी नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द एनुअल कैलकुलेशन. पी इज हियर, and for annual it was 10%, and 1 is taken now. Total period is 1.5 years, but first of all we are taking 1 to use this formula, amount wala. Then half year will be calculated on the PRT by 100 wala formula, simple interest SI formula. So we are taking for the 1 year first. So what happens here? 1 upon 10, 10 upon 100, this will cut and we'll get 1 upon 10. Okay, we take LCM with 1, it will be 10 plus 1 11 by 10, and power is 1, So 11 by 10 is one time. We can cut 1 zeros. 1000 into 11, so we get here 11,000. This is what 11,000 is for 1 year. We have to calculate for another half year. For that we use simple interest formula. P, R and T, time period is half year. So cutting करेंगे तो again 110 into 10, 1100 divided by 2 यानी कि 550. So what we get is children here 550 is the interest, plus we have to find the interest from 1 year. So it was 10,000, 10,000 का 11,000 हो गया था. So 1000 यहाँ पर हो गया and 550 यहाँ पर हो गया, तो 1550 हो गया फॉर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट 1550, और यहाँ पर है 1576.25. तो when we compound half yearly, the interest we earned is more. When compounded half yearly, we can see it was 1550, नीचे 1 year वाला, and this is 1576, so this is more. Okay children, this is given explanation here. It is not required now, it is explained in the previously. Now find the amount which Ram will get on 4096. He gave it for 18 months. Don't be confused. 18 months is what? 1 year and half year. 1.5 year. 18 months equal to. And rate of interest is what? 12.5 year. 12.5 year is the interest per annum. Interest being compounded half yearly. Again half yearly word is used here. Now तुरंत ही हमारे कान खड़े हो जाने चाहिए. That means this 1.5 year में कितने हाफ ईयर आएंगे? 3. और इंटरेस्ट जो है 12 1/2 है, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड बाई और 2 कर देंगे यहाँ पर. 12 1/2. दिस विल बी 12 1/2 इज व्हाट? 2 12 जा 24 प्लस 1 25/2, एंड फिर डिवाइड बाई 2 करेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली. सो विल गेट 4 ईयर. Okay children, divide by 2, 25 divided by 2, then divide by 2, we'll get 24. 25 divided by 4 per half year. Okay, then 18 months equal to 3 half years. Now we are placing the values in the formula. बस एक ही फॉर्मूला है, कोई यहाँ पे वरी नहीं है. बस थोड़ा सा आपको कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा अलर्ट रहना है और कुछ नहीं. प्रिंसिपल interest 25/4 into 100 means 400, and 3 half years, so power 3. Now 25 upon 16, 400 is cut, so we get here 1/16. If we give here LCM, 16 plus 1 17/16. 17/16 we can see here how many times is given? 3 times. 1 2 3 times, and then do the multiplication. And if you want to cut, you can cut 16 with this 4096. cutting हो सकता है, otherwise you multiply 4096 with 17/16, 17/16, 17/16. Finally you will get 4913. Thus the required amount is 4913. Okay children, it was investment was 4096 and earning is 4913. Okay, so amount बढ़ गया है. Okay children, enjoy the video. Bye bye.